Give a little look at the timber frame pavilion that's up at the lakeside house. We had a nice plan that was put together in-house, but because the tolerances of the spring house were so tight, Marengo Pass ended up drawing the timber frame out to the nth degree and doing the shop drawings, and then we sent it down to Hearthstone Builders in Tennessee for a nice kit to be built. So we're taking a look at that. They sent everything together with mortise and tenon joinery. And just a quick overview of this. So this is a 6-post design with solid core fill underneath at every point where the posts are. And then we've got a custom piece of hardware that's a tube plate that goes in that holds each post down to prevent uplift. So 6 posts, 3 on either side. Then we've got knee braces that control both the lateral left and right. Everything on this entire piece was formed together on a CNC. And then we've got a great little all thread detail that holds these trusses together, and then everything else is mortise and tenon joinery together. So we've got you see up above, a ridge beam system that runs end to end, and then this is built like a traditional bent system. So just a quick overlook. The metal roof is going on today. Try and stay out of the way and not get hit with it, but ridge beam and rafter system, and the timber frame pavilion.